We are here for day one at the Barbecue and Boots Festival. I'm here with my guy, Anthony.
Day one has been a great success. If you missed out, you got another opportunity tomorrow. Inland Empire, the biggest barbecue festival in the IE. I want to see y'all here. Peace.
Working all week, 9 to 5 for my money. So when the weekend comes, I go get live with the honey. Rolling down the street, I saw this girl when she was pumping. I winked my eyes, she got into the ride, went to a club, was jumping. Introduced myself as low, she said, you're a liar. I said, I got it going on, baby doll, and I'm a